Well, this is kind of a big issue, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing here. But it looks like I'm going to be trying to drain out this coolant from the cylinder somehow, or get it out somehow. Well, I think what I might do is I'm going to get all the coolant out of this area first. Then I'll slowly turn over the engine and try and push the coolant out of the fuel injector hole that it went into. And hopefully this will allow me to push it all out. I've had a new idea. I think this will work pretty well, actually. So here's the plan. We're gonna blow the coolant out of the intake and out of the fuel things. Just need a bit more line here. So I'm gonna put this big pile of paper towels right here. And we're just gonna go let it fly. Alright, maybe this isn't going to work as well as I thought it would. Okay, well, we're going to put this on there. Oh. And now, of course, the sensor's broken off. You've just gone from bad to worse. Oh man. I have an idea. Let's see if this works. Okay, we're gonna use this. Okay, we're gonna try a DIY vacuum cleaner. Here we go. Seems to work. Okay, it works. You need some This tube is too short. Prig. Blowing it everywhere. I hope the camera didn't get hit by that. It is working. So we can try and root it into this hose here. Alright, well that actually did work, surprisingly, so that's good. Now what's not great is of course everything that is kind of broken and I have to fix now because I broke it. However, I don't think clogging dirt of the engine is not the issue, which is good. So That's good. Not much else is right now. But, well, let's keep working. I guess gonna get all this coolant out. All right, I'm gonna go grab some paper towels and make sure I wipe everything up. All right, well, we might as well check the sensor just to see if it's actually working or not. So I got my multimeter here. What we do is we'll measure resistance. 2 ohms. All right, so now we'll take this, go on each prong here. 20.5 kilo ohms. That's pretty high. However, the sensor does seem to be reading, so what we do to test it is so we're at about 0 ohms. And now we go onto the sensor. So I put our thing on the leads, edge end here. So we're at about 21.15 kilo ohms. Now if we heat it up, 21, okay, we're still the same here. 1 second. Well, it seems to be varied anyways, 21, 20. It is giving a reading. Let me check the manual, see if maybe there's like a spec or something for it. And that will tell us. Well, I think that's going to be the end of today's work thing. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Check out the playlist. Do some of that other stuff. You know. Unfortunately, I accidentally filled the cylinders with coolant today. Not my greatest moment. I got most of it out. I'm just going to kind of leave it to hopefully dry out. And then I might have to do another oil change or something to get the if coolant has leaked down past the cylinder walls. Hopefully it hasn't. I'll have to check the oil. Oops, better turn this off. And yeah, I guess I gotta get a new temperature sensor, because that one is physically broken now, since I broke it too. And yeah, peace. I'll see you in the next one.